Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee. Yeah, you see, I gave myself a buzz cut. Yeah, today we're going to talk about buzz cut first, then I want to take this opportunity to have a little chat with everyone. I've been on YouTube for 2 years now, and I'm truly grateful for all of your support and subscriptions. Thank you. But honestly, many of you still don't really know what I actually do in my daily work. So today, I want to talk about that as well. But first, let's talk about this new look. Why the buzz cut? The reason number one is I have got a lot of gray hair. A lot. And I don't want to dye it anymore. So I shaved off all the dyed parts and decided to let my natural gray grow out. The reason number two, because it makes filming my video, the facial and head massage video, so much easy. You just show absolutely correct techniques and you don't need to worry about mess up your hair. So in this way, I can demonstrate my techniques much more clearly. And the reason number three, it just felt incredibly comfortable. I have had short hair before, so I know how freeing it is, but this is my first time going this short. It's a whole new level of comfort. And since it's winter now, I think if I didn't look good, I can hide it under my hat, but if I cut it in summer, if then it turns out good, and I have no choice. So I think this is the best season to give it a try. But honestly, I'm quite happy with how it turned out. What do you think? About my gray hair thing, just to give you a little background. It's almost the genetics. Both sides of my family went gray really young. Both sides of my family started going gray quite young. I do frequently eat like black beans, black sesames, red dates, or those blood nourishing and hair nourishing foods, but still, this is just how it is. I'm turning 46 and I really don't mind having gray hair. What I do mind is hair dye. No matter how natural it claims to be, I still prefer to avoid it. I always feel like natural is the best. And honestly, as long as you're following your heart, that's what matters. I used to dye my hair almost once a month. That's quite a lot. I didn't love it, but I could still tolerate it. But recently, this feeling, I feel like more and more resistant to the idea to dye my hair. So I told myself, okay, listen to my heart. Just let it grow out in a true color. I think life is easier when you simply follow your heart. What do you think? If you never try, you will never know. So why not? Okay, now let's talk about my actual job. I'm a wellness coach, and what I do mainly falls into three areas. One is weight management. The second is natural remedy, things like blood pressure control, blood glucose control, anti-inflammation regulation. And the third part is spiritual growth-based stress relief and emotional support. Getting my personal trainer certification was able to help my clients with weight loss in a professional way. So those are really the three major parts and I focused on. When I first started my YouTube channel, I made videos about wellness and fitness. I had a really good topics such as how to optimize your mitochondria, how to use natural methods to reduce inflammation. But very few people watched them. And then one day I uploaded a facial massage video and boom, 1,000 subscriptions in a short time. So after that, I also posted other topics like based on my book. I posted some cooking videos, herbs, but those videos never got many views. So I realized my niche here on YouTube is facial massage. And that's the reason why I have been consistently uploading those videos every week. And honestly, I enjoy making them. I do facial massage every day anyway. So sometimes I just record it when I'm doing it. But here's something important I want to mention. Even though I love facial videos, I don't really recommend relying only on them, because my whole coaching philosophy is personalized. Whether it's about health or fitness, everything has to be customized. If you've ever taken my course, you know that the very first thing you learn is about to find your personal wellness code, because everyone is different. If you skip this step, it's really hard to get long-lasting and sustainable results. We often say, like, give a man a fish and he eats for a day. But if you teach man to fish, he can eat for a lifetime. So health works the same way. It's not about someone consistently tell you what to do. It's about understanding your own body and adjusting based on that. Because no one knows your body better than you, and we have to take first responsibility for our own health. But the world we live in today is fast-paced and restless. Everyone is so busy. I'm the same. Many people think if I just work hard enough and earn more money, I can hire the best trainer, nutritionist, eat the healthiest food, and do this and do that in the future. I'm not saying that's wrong. Actually, that's correct. I also plan for future. After all, we live in a real physical body. But here's the thing, we don't forget present while planning for the future. We don't live in the past. We don't live in the future neither. The future hasn't happened yet. And life always changes our plans anyway. So while we're working toward our goals, we also need to stay grounded in the now. Appreciate what we have and be grateful for what we can do today, because it's the now that makes the future possible. Of course, life comes with challenges, pace, setbacks. That's normal because we are human. But everything we go through shapes us. What truly matters is our attitude toward those challenges. This topic could go on and on forever, so I will stop here. I will save it for another video. I try to keep my video shorter because I know everyone got a busy life. Before we wrap up, I will definitely keep making facial massage videos, but I'm also going to add more content on wellness, anti-aging, health, and fitness. And just more of the things I work on every day that I think could help you. So thank you so much for being here, and let me know what you think about my buzz cut. And if you have any questions or any topics you want to talk in the future, leave in a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.